Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer marketing with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer marketing with Mailchimp, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the main dashboard once you're logged in. Select the Audience tab, which allows you to manage your contact lists. If you don't have an audience yet, click on Create Audience to set one up. Follow the prompts to input the required information about your audience, including the name and default email. Once your audience is created, go to the Campaigns tab to start a new marketing campaign. Click on the Create Campaign button and choose the type of campaign you wish to run, such as email or social media. Now, name your campaign to keep track of it easily. Select Ad Recipients and choose your previously created audience from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Design Email to start creating your content. Choose a template that suits your brand style, or start from scratch. Utilize the drag-and-drop editor to add elements like images, text blocks, and buttons. Make sure to personalize your email content to engage your audience effectively. After designing, proceed to the Settings and Tracking section to ensure your tracking options are set. Here, you can enable Google Analytics tracking if you want to analyze your campaign's performance. Once everything looks great, click on the Send Test Email option to preview how your email will appear to recipients. After confirming that it looks good, return to the campaign overview. Select the date and time for your email to be sent, or choose to send it immediately. Before finalizing, review all settings to ensure everything is correct. When ready, click the Send button to start distributing your campaign. After sending, monitor the performance through the Reports section to analyze open rates and engagement. Utilize this data to improve your future campaigns based on audience responses and behaviors. With practice and continuous refinement, you'll become proficient in using Mailchimp for your marketing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.